Your biggest threat isn't hackers, it's the person in the mirror. Master these 7 psychological frameworks, or your emotions will bankrupt you. Mirror bias. I'm not special, I'm human. I overreact, I chase highs, I fear losses. Naming that reflex keeps my hand off the panic button. Huddle versus hero. There's investor me, and there's trader me. Trader me wants dopamine, investor me wants outcomes. I pick a role before the storm, then I stick to it. Number go up technology. Adoption compounds. More users, more rails, more liquidity. Price doesn't climb in a straight line, but the staircase still goes up over decades. Hype cycle map. Euphoria, denial, anger, depression, disbelief, then new highs. I don't trust feelings at peaks or troughs. I trust the cycle. Noise canceling. 99% of headlines are emotional bait. I set a filter. If it won't matter in 10 years, mute. If it changes the thesis, study. Skin in the game, brain in a box. Pre-commit rules when I'm calm. Allocation, rebalance bands, time horizon. In chaos, I follow the box, not my pulse. Digital real estate. Bitcoin is scarce property in the cloud. No landlord, no borders, 24/7 liquidity. I treat it like prime land. Buy prudently, hold patiently. Don't panic, rent it out to fear. Look at the decade-long chart. Every major dip screamed, Bitcoin is dead. Every time, new highs followed. The headlines changed, the thesis matured. My edge isn't predicting next week. It's surviving next decade. Choose your role, write your rules. Ignore the circus, because the market won't beat me. Only I can do that. If this reframed your thinking, save it for the next storm. Future you will thank you. Smash that like, subscribe, and join us. New drops weekly. Don't miss out.